Peace begins with justice. Unity is the foundation of peace. Peace is built on respect and trust. True peace comes from within. Peace requires sacrifice and effort. Peace is not a gift, but a result. Real peace starts with mutual understanding. Justice is the key to lasting peace. Without equality, there is no peace. Peace is born from compassion. Peace is the product of shared values. True peace is a collective effort. Only unity can bring true peace. Peace is earned, not given. Real peace requires honest dialogue. We cannot have peace without fairness. Peace is the end of conflict, but the beginning of cooperation. Real peace grows from understanding, not control. Peace is not silence, it is harmony. Peace comes when we stop dividing and start uniting. True peace is about respect for all. Peace is a process, not an event. Peace thrives where there is justice. Only through forgiveness can we find peace. Peace requires courage and humility. Justice brings peace to the oppressed. Real peace begins with the people. Peace is not the absence of war, but the presence of understanding. Peace starts with a single act of kindness. Peace is the victory of humanity over conflict. Peace requires empathy, not judgment. Peace is achieved when we stop fighting. Without peace, there can be no prosperity. Real peace is the result of love and understanding,